Hey everybody! So right now I'm down in the uh, yeah basement. That's the word. So yeah, there it is. I got it put in with the universal rack mount rails. They actually are quite nice. Does work quite well. The hard drive showed up. Well, 5 of them did. The other 6 or 7 are in that thing. So that is replacing my HP SL4540 2-blade 50 drive thing, behemoth. So yeah, let's get this out and upstairs on the healing bench and get some drives put in it and a little bit of cable management. Alright, so got it up here. And as you can see, I did a little work in here. I mainly just threw everything in there. But yeah, got 5 16 terabyte drives. They're all going in here. So I got to take this out to access them. And yeah, last time you saw this, I didn't have these fans in or my HBA. This is 10 gig NIC. And there is 4 SSDs in there. Also, I'm going to have to put a link to the eBay store that I got these from because the packaging is superb. And the box that they came in fit this perfectly. So it was nice and tight and held in well. So let's get some stuff torn out and these put in. Okay, so the drives I got was... okay, so this is the drives I got. They are recertified, and the seller gives them a 5-year warranty. So that's one reason I went with them. Anyways, so the drive enclosure, I'm using the 5 1/4 inch one. Comes with these little rails. They just line up and then you put a screw in them right there, and they are labeled right and left. I'm going to get these drives set up and check in when I'm putting them in. Okay, so with this little $25 drive cage, when you're putting it together, the arrows, for whatever reason, don't mean towards the fan. This is the back of the cage. Even though this is the front, I thought arrows meant front because it says F, but apparently F arrow means nothing because this is the back where the drive stops. That's where the little things catch. So yeah, be fair warned. Alright, so there we go. Drive just clicks in, and yeah. So this $25 drive, $25 5A, 20 to 5.25 drive. Okay, so here is the 5 1/4 inch 5 bay or 5 drive thing. And I had it backwards, as you can see. Now, it's tight as hell, so I can't do it with one hand. But it clicks in. So 4 more to go. Alright, they're now mounted. So, time to hook up my HBA cables and power. And there's the rat's nest for right now. So I got those 5 drives hooked up and wired up to the HBA, and I got all my SSDs up here now. Once I get everything transferred to this, using block copy, then I will transfer 7 6 terabyte drives into it, 6 here, 1 under here, and then I will figure out where I'm putting the SSDs because I have no fucking clue. So, it's a small update. Uh, I'll probably make the block copy a separate video because I've practiced it, but I've never done it. So, figured might as well bring you along for the fuck ups. And yeah, see you then.